Leche Flan. A dessert from Philippines. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Mix all except sugar. Step 2. Caramelize sugar at bottom of container. Then double boil this for about half hour at 325%. Step 3. To double boil, set a pyrex with mixture in a larger pan with water. Test by inserting knife. If pulls out clean, it / done. Step 4. Cool the flan, then run a knife around the container to loosen flan from sides. Get a serving platter, hold over pyrex with flan. Firmly grasp both platter and pyrex at the sides, then flip them over, so flan remains on the serving platter with the caramelized part on